Hey guys, what's up? My name is Bharat. You're watching iGyan. I want to take you on this journey today because it's a really special day, and I also finally get to drive my cars for long distance for the first time ever since the lockdown happened. So let's quickly get started.
We're good, we never left the ground, but we need to take some way.
I want 6 pounds of coffee.
6 pounds of coffee.
Can you let me be tonight? I will need some time alone, not forever, but when we're together, it feels like my spark's been left in the dark sometimes. Cause when I'm with you, it's just like an airwave, better than a band-aid. This could be love, not sure, but I'm probably right. When you're around, I can say
Elevator is also socially distanced.
perfectly safe and sure. I'll be with you always. I will stay when my time is.
Okay, so this is the room, guys. We're not going to be staying here, and we haven't even told you that we were coming to a hotel, but this is the room that I'm going to be spending today because we are here for a shoot that I am not allowed to speak about, but it's something really special and it's happening on a global level. And we are here in Manesar, and this is the Hyatt in Manesar and the Aperture, so that you can see what the hell is going outside. Look at that. Epic views. Or as Stradman would say, views on views on views!
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record.
Waiting for somebody to come and do my makeup. Rajat is repairing his damage because he's wearing a robe right now because he spilled coffee on his white shirt, which he always does, and his hair is all over the place and he can't handle it. And so that hipster is dealing with that, and I've been telling him to wear the robe directly to the shoot, so there's no problem with that. And we're waiting for breakfast. It's been an hour, we're really hungry, and we have to start our shoot in about I think half an hour. So we will
Tell
go
them try
to-
to call it for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost.
So we are heading to this shoot. There's a lot of echo here, so don't mind. I'm super excited. Something exclusive, something global that I'm going to be a part of. First time ever. Super thrilled, and I'm so excited. I wanted to bring you guys on this journey. Let's see what all I can show. There's a lot that I can't disclose, but hopefully there's some elements of it that I can show you.
For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record, for the record.
Hello. Hello. Koi hai? Hai. So, like, I've spent the entire day shooting. It's what now? Almost 8 p.m. And trust me, this was one of the most interesting experiences of my life. I've stayed away from the auto industry as per se. A pretty cool thing just happened all day today. And I can't speak to you guys about it, but it was cool. It was an epic shoot, all day shoot. So you can imagine that it was something special. And you will see me soon. If you follow the car industry, you'll see me soon in something special. And if you do, don't forget to shout out. Don't forget to reach out to me on social and tell me that you saw me, because you'll really enjoy this experience. And interestingly, while I was talking to you guys, I noticed something. Look, tech, sofa.
Rider.
लिफ्ट में राइडर ही होता है ना, ड्राइवर तो नहीं होता.
Going up.
No, but
Butter? There is no, like, it's the proper thing for it. There is no better thing for it. Okay. What is the proper? What do you think it should be?
you would have called it a guest one, guest two.
Why? Lift में guest नहीं होता. You don't live in the lift. They want you to ride the lift and leave it. you can be lift man, but then you have to stay in the lift.
Yeah.
Then you're lift man. Your job is to press buttons all day long.
Yeah.
In your case.
और गुरुजी
Or lift Guruji.
आइए ऊपर चलते हैं.
Don't forget our room. Bra 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 bra. इसे कहते हैं पार्किंग. Parking. Thank you. Hey guys, so it's day 2. The work inside the studio is finally done. The paint work was finished. They went and put this machine on the studio wall to make it more smooth. And then about 4 coats of paint later, the wall is looking absolutely amazing. And the store was also done. So now it's time to basically transfer everything to the store and transfer everything back to the studio and then get back to work more or less. So let's quickly go and do that. So after yesterday's shoot, we were already quite pooped and so after yesterday's shoot, we were already quite pooped and we decided to take it a little easy today. But we did manage to get the entire office and the studio back into order, and we are good to go basically for next week, where we can go back to start producing content. I know it was a little confusing and we couldn't show you a lot during this vlog, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and if you didn't, that's also okay. If you're not already subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get notified each time IGAN uploads a video. Starting next week, we're going to ramp up our schedule a little bit and get more videos out to you guys. So thank you for watching. I've been Bharat. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget our room.